Did you know Albert Camus had a train ticket in his pocket in the day he died? He had planned to take the train. Then, at the last minute, he changed his mind and got in a car instead. On January 4th, 1960, that car crashed on a straight, dry road. No ice, no sharp turns, no reason it should have happened. And there it was, an unused ticket to a life that kept going without him. Here is what makes this hard to look away from. Camus spent his entire life arguing that existence has no guaranteed meaning, that the universe owes you nothing, that randomness is real, and the only honest move is to build your own meaning anyway. He didn't just write that, he lived it. And then a senseless accident proved every word of it true. The ticket wasn't a cruel joke. It was his philosophy, made physical. So the question he leaves behind isn't really about him. It's about you. If meaning isn't given, what are you building with the time you still have?